everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get high paying tasks on Paidwork every day. If you're tired of low paying jobs and want to earn faster, here's exactly how to unlock the best offers daily right from your phone. First of all, open your Paidwork app and then go to profile, and then this is your task preferences tab. Next, answer every question honestly: gender, age, interest, income level. A complete profile tells paid work what offers fit you best. This unlocks higher value tasks automatically. Step number two: paid work has four main task types, but only two pay big. Surveys. First of all, it is surveys like survey mastermind, survey specialist, and etc. And the next one is offers: installing and testing apps, surveys from CXP Research, BitLabs, or Revenue was. Checking these first every morning, they refresh daily with new offers. Next, log in multiple times a day. High paying tasks come in limited slots. Open the app 2 to 3 times a day, early morning, afternoon, and evening, to catch new offers before they fill up. Next, in the offers or surveys tab, open tab short highest paying first, then instantly shows tasks worth $2 to $10. Step number 5: build activity streaks. Complete paid re- paid work rewards consistent users. Complete at least one task per day. Your account's trust level increases and you start seeing premium offers. Safety tip: avoid external pop-ups or fake links outside the app. Paid work only pays for verified in-app offers. Quick fix: if you are not getting good offers, update the paid work app, enable location access. High paying tasks depend on a reason. Clear cache under the app setting to refresh the task feed. Subscribe for more quick fixes.